From which school have you come? When you hear distilleries, it means it's attached to a word called distillation, right? Maybe some of you might have heard the word distillation before. Who knows what distillation is? What is distillation?
Boiling.
Boiling.
The process of separating different liquids with close boiling point.
Close boiling point.
Down to liquid.
So you boil, collect paper, and then you condense it. That's distillation. You have a solution, and you want some part of the solution. You want something out of it. So what you do is to determine at what temperature what you want in that solution is going to vaporize. So you heat it, it turns into vapor. Okay? You collect that vapor, cool it, and then it condenses, it becomes liquid. So that is distillation. So that is what we do over here. Everything that we do over here is to distill and then use the alcohol that we have. We use alcohol over here. What you see in the blue drums is alcohol. The closest to the pure alcohol.
Yes, I'm comfortable. Okay. Yo, Yenny, I will do have a Yenny.
Ever so you be a bro.
Oh, bro, I never know.
Oh, Danny, I don't want to go down over there by road. So, why you do almost like a almost like a. You have bro.
I'll see you right this. The camera?
Yes.
Hey!
Of better quality and of better taste.
I'll have to call Madam. Alright, let's get inside. We are moving forward.
They are not in. Come see Joel anymore.
established it soon after independence, so that his policies and programs will be carried, and you'll get feedback from people to inform him to be able to manage and rule. And so this institution has done this job for all these years. And so it is a national newspaper that reaches all the 16 regions of the country. Currently, we have 10 regional correspondents. We are yet to get correspondents for the other newly created stations. And so, the regional correspondents send us stories from the various regions through the internet. They are sent to the United In Accra, we have a correspondent of the presidency. He reports on what happens in the presidency. Pass the WhatsApp, and your grace are up to the mark. We have various schools. We either go to the famous Ghana Institute of Journalism and become a journalist. There are other institutions too. You can go to the School of Communication Studies at the University of Ghana, Lagos. You can go to, there are now private universities who offer communication studies and journalism. So you can apply to those institutions. The grades that will qualify you to be in a program in any of the universities. The best place to go is to go to the father and mother of the journalism institutions. The institution Kwame Nkrumah established several years ago because he knew the importance of the profession.
It's happy to welcome all of you from Suhum Schools. Suhum Cluster of Schools. Star of Schools, sorry. Suhum Star of Schools.
Yes,
SOS.
Staff of Suhum Schools. We are private or alright. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Spectator. But the whole place is New Times Corporation, the company and the is New Times Corporation. And then we have two papers, the Spectator and then the Ghanaian Times. And so you are with the Spectator department. Have you been to the other department? So my name is Regina Pate. This is Regina Pate. I'm the editor. We have I'm the deputy editor of the Spectator. But now I'm acting as the editor because the editor is on the deputy assistant. So now my position is the acting editor of the Spectator.
When I say software, we have software that help us, okay, to put these designs together. And you get to know that we have software that help us to put these designs together. So
this one contains what we call hard news, and this is soft news, the data for your weekend relaxation. Nothing. This one is just soft news, something of interest, so that when you are sad Saturday, you will read and start laughing. That's one thing about it. And then you've seen these young men and women. Everybody has a page he or she plans. And you go around, look for stories, or you go around, you gather information, you come and write. But we always take into consideration of good stories. After they have all gathered their pieces of information, put everything into writing. Then they will bring it to me. I will look through, correct the sentences if there are mistakes, or I will rewrite to suit the
Can you your hands right?
Funny. Yes. Funny. This is Ghanaian time.
Yeah, you know, me we see it.
Yeah, no, you're go straight.
You go straight.
Why are you tired?